All right, there's a new push to help Americans prevent strokes. And for the very first time in a decade, the American Heart Association and the American Stroke Association have both updated their stroke prevention guidelines. Important medical news, and joining us right now to discuss all of this, Dr. Chauncey Crandall, the director of the Palm Beach Clinic of Preventive Medicine and Cardiology, and a best-selling author of many books, including The Simple Heart Cure, the 90-day program to stop and reverse heart disease. Dr. Crandall, great to see you.
Good afternoon, Bianca.
This seems very significant that they are upgrading or changing guidelines here after 10 years. So tell us why such a major update, Dr. Crandall?
Well, Bianca, we have found that we can now treat strokes, much like heart attacks. For a long period of time, someone would have a stroke, they would be treated at the local hospital, but we have found that much more can be done for that patient. So what has happened now, we've developed stroke centers, and these patients are transferred to that site, and we can treat those patients with clot-busting drugs or an intervention, much like a heart attack. We can save the brain from having damage, and the patient can leave that hospital often without any issues from that stroke.
Great news.
It's exciting news, and it's available right now.
What are some of the risk factors for people if they hadn't thought about them and now they're seeing this? What would you suggest people kind of keep an eye on?
Well, the biggest risk factor is underlying untreated hypertension, but a good doctor will figure that out. And the other is diabetes, obesity, inactivity. These are all risk factors that can be treated and prevent stroke. We do not have to die from a stroke or have issues with a stroke. We can have victory if we follow through with the correct treatment protocol.
Well, it's wonderful that these advances are being made. And as you talked about the stroke centers, such important information for people to really be advocates for their own health. And you're leading the charge with some of the work you do. Dr. Crandall, always a pleasure to have you. Thank you.
Thank you, Bianca. Have a good day.
You too. And Dr. Crandall's Stroke Kit is actually your complete guide to understanding, preventing, and then acting against strokes, arming you with the knowledge to take control of your health today. This is a $60 value. And remember, time is of the essence. Learn the facts, take action, and safeguard you or a loved one's future with it. You can get the Stroke Kit and Dr. Crandall's Heart Health Report with a free offer. Call the number you see there or go online and check it out.
Information. Truth is freedom. Is Newsmax. It's real news for real people.